Assalamualaikum and good morning to our lecturer, Ms. Mazura. My name is Umairah Ayuni binti Rahmat, matric number D202101099056. Today, I would like to present my final project, which is to propose landscape design at playground Felda in Selatan. First of all, I have chosen playground area near to my residential area. This location are located in the staff housing at Felda in Selatan, Kulai Johor. And this area already have a playground area for children. So this is my best plan for the first stage, where I need to measure the area of the site. The site area is 37 meter wide and 23 meter high. This area is within a residential gate area. Therefore, the safety of children will be more assured. Around the site area is surrounded by fence and housing. For the site inventory and site analysis, there are 7 aspects. First is microclimate. This is open space, which is this area receive a good sunlight and wind movement. Second is topography. The condition or the topography of this site is flat. Third is vegetation. There are several types of plants that grow in this site, such as golden cane palm and purple night palm. For site contact, this area is close by police station, forest, main road and housing. And for the circulation, as the area in a fenced area, so there is only main path before entering the playground area. For architectural features, as I said before, this area already has a playground. And for the hydrology, this area has a small ditch. Next, for the SWOT analysis, in this section is concerned with SWOT analysis for the area. For each aspect have their strength, weakness, opportunities and threat. For the example, from the vegetation aspect, the strength is the plant grow well and attract the view. The weakness, which is the lack of shade tree and to expose to the sunlight. For opportunities, it can plant a variety of plants. And the threats, user will feel uncomfortable due to the hot weather because this area lack of shade trees. Site synthesis is designer examines what existing elements to work with and gains a preliminary understanding of what in this site. The list of program will exit the designer in the next design stage. So I has been provided seven types of program, such as relaxing area for parents who come to relax, reflexology area, outdoor gymnasium for people who want to do the outdoor exercise, sitting area, planting area, barbecue area and also barbecue pit. Next, I will explain about my bubble diagrams. Bubble diagram allows a designer to work with a general area and shapes. The purpose of function diagram is to study the relationship between space and the movement or visual connection between them. On this stage, I provide 3 options for my bubble diagram. This is my first bubble diagram, which is I draw the relaxing area in the middle of the site and surrounding with the reflexology area, which is the blue color, blue line. Then this is my second option for bubble diagram, which is I draw the reflexology area, the surrounding of the site and the relaxing area still in the middle of the site. Next, this is my last final bubble diagram, which is to propose the landscape design. And the final bubble diagram will be my conceptual plan to the next stage. The reason why I still put the relaxing area in the middle, because I want to point out that the relaxing area is the main of area or the main point of this site. Next, for the conceptual diagram. And this is my conceptual diagram. The goal for the conceptual diagram is to create and produce an idea for a clean and attractive landscape view. For the objective is to provide a reflexology area to reduce stress and to keep healthy person. Second, to improve the new environment landscape. On this stage, every area I put the equipment that's suitable for each area. For example, outdoor gymnasium. So I put the outdoor gymnasium equipment on that area, so people can use and play the outdoor gymnasium equipment. And I have a few bench at the sitting area, gymnasium outdoor, and also the gazebo at the middle of the site, which is in the relaxing area. After the conceptual diagram, I have to provide the schematic plan. On this stage, a line plays an important role in the creation of large and small space within a landscape. Line form the traffic pattern within a landscape and help visitor guide through the various space. And this schematic plan also, I draw 6 types of vegetation on this stage, such as Tabebuia roses, Plumeria rubra, Buchida molinati, Belamcanda chinensis, siamensis, and Acalypha siamensis. So this is my schematic plan. The second last stage is the Preminilary master plan, or also called as the prelim. This is to assign form and finish the function that we are organized in the schematic design. In this stage, I need to detail up the pavement that I want to use, the type of the bench, the type of the shape of the gazebo, and anything else in my site. And lastly is master plan. Master plan is a dynamic long-term planning document that provides a conceptual layout to guide further growth and development. This is a last stage for the process landscape design. On this stage, I need to render and detail up all the hardscape and softscape on my site. So as you can see, this is my master plan that I have been done coloring, rendering, and also do the shadow on my site. After I finish my master plan, I need to provide the planting plan. Planting plan is the selection and use of plant to achieve a designer objective. It aims to produce an appropriate planting design that suits to the required function and user needs. In this stage, I need to do the planting schedule for each plant on my site. After I do the planting plan, I need to do the section cross. Section cross, also simply called as a section, represent a vertical plan cut through the object in the same way as a floor plan is a horizontal section view from the top. So I have been choose this area for my section cut. After I finish my section cut, I need to provide the perspective drawing. Perspective drawing is the change in the size, distance, and color of an object when the object is a view at a distance. In context of drawing, the process is called perspective. The function of perspective drawing is first, show activity in space, second, a real image of an object, and third, indicate the atmospheres of the space. On this task, I need to provide 2 perspectives. First, I choose the view from the outdoor gymnasium and relaxing area. Second, I choose the view from the barbecue area. In this part, I will explain about Softscape and Hardscape palette. This is to prepare a suitable design palette of material, pattern, color, and texture that coordinates with the purpose landscape design theme for the site. For the Softscape palette, I need to include all the photos of plant that involve the landscape design, and I also need to label each photo with the scientific and the common name. For the Hardscape palette, the photo of Hardscape are based on the design theme and idea. The photo will help the client to get a clear real image on the hardscape design, so I will include all the photos of hardscape involved. For the example, I want to use the pavement on the outdoor gymnasium area, but the type of the pavement I want to use is rubber mat, because outdoor gymnasium is the area that people who want to exercise. Then when we use the rubber mat, it will be more safe and can be prevent injury, and also the material of the rubber mat is more thick. So that's all for me. Thank you.